Welcome, friends.
We are in Mexico City, and Glenn has talked me into having one more El Pastor taco. But Glenn, there are so many tacos to eat. Why eat more El Pastor?
Because we're going to eat it here.
I see you pointing at a garage, Glenn.
You just wait. It's going to be great.
Okay. We'll see.
Okay.
I don't know how to pay yet.
Okay.
I haven't figured that part out yet.
So the transformation of this place was crazy.
Yes, and now that it's open, it's just as crazy.
Pumping. And so even like as soon as they brought the trompos out and they put them up, there were people waiting in line for the place to open. It's not even started cooking yet, and there were people standing here.
Yes.
There's mayhem out on the street. They're parking, blocking each other in. This place is great, and that is so far one of the better looking
It is.
tacos
It
al
looks
pastor.
very messy though. So, some lime.
Let's give it a go.
So did you want any of the salsas, or are you just going to have it
I
as
want
is?
that. I want that roasted salsa. That one at the end there. That looks really good.
I'm not sure how to get that to you.
I'm gonna have a swig of beer. I'll move the beer out of the way.
Alright, so there's some for you. I think I'm going to have it as is just to see.
Okay. Pineapple?
Yeah. I thought you stole my pineapple.
No.
You're pretty upset. I don't know how to do it without making a mess.
Oh, there's gonna be a mess. There's no way around it. There's going to be a mess.
Alright, best of luck. I'll let you go first. Otherwise...
That's it. That's the one.
We've got a lot of flavors going on.
Yeah.
My friend.
Yeah. So you're glad we had one more?
Yes, but I'm also glad that it's another day later because that was too many.
That was going to be, yeah. And of course, this place isn't just El Pastor. They've got a grill going over there. They've got all kinds of other tacos happening.
They do a mean takeout business.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things being piled onto paper plates and taken away.
And taken away, yeah. There's a delivery service. They've got recycled delivering around. So if you're in Mexico City, I think this is probably the place to come to. Yeah. And it's only at night. Two more?
Oh, baby.